To buy LEAPs on Robinhood, start by understanding what LEAPs are. LEAPs stands for Long-Term Equity Anticipation Securities, which are long-term options contracts that expire in more than a year. They allow investors to bet on the future price of a stock without having to buy the stock itself. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you want to buy LEAPs for. Type the stock ticker symbol in the search bar and select the stock from the search results. Next, click on the stock to open its detail page. Then tap the Trade button. Select Buy and choose the Options tab. Robinhood will display a list of available options contracts, including LEAPs. To find LEAPs, look for options contracts that expire in more than a year. You can filter the options by expiration date to find the LEAPs. Once you have found the LEAPs you want to buy, select it and choose your position size. This is the number of contracts you want to buy. Keep in mind that each options contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. After selecting your position size, review your order and confirm it. Make sure you understand the terms of the trade, including the strike price, expiration date, and premium. The premium is the price you pay for the options contract, and it will be deducted from your account balance when you buy the LEAPs. Finally, submit your order and wait for it to be executed. Once your order is filled, you will own the LEAPs and can monitor its performance in the Robinhood app. It is essential to keep in mind that buying LEAPs involves risk, and you can lose some or all of your investment. It is crucial to do your research, set a budget, and have a clear understanding of the options market before buying LEAPs on Robinhood.